Red lines removal won't stop Biafra freedom, IPOB says. This according to Emma Powerful. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has condemned purported removal of existing, though obsolete, rail lines in Southeast, attributing it to handiwork of federal government. The group alleged that the removal is not unconnected to the federal government's hatred against Igbo. In a statement by its Media and Publicity Secretary, Emma Powerful, IPOB, the group said the move would not hinder its effort towards realization of Biafra Republic. The group further noted that it was not afraid of the steps promising its members of its soon laying off of its own railways in the region that will link it with Ambazonia and other African countries. The statement reads in parts: "We condemn the continued removal of existing, though obsolete, rail lines in Biafra land, particularly in Igbo territory. Igbo woman becomes general in U.S. Army. An Igbo woman, Amanda Zubike, has been promoted from Lieutenant Colonel to Brigadier General of the United States Army at the military base in Fort Knox, Kentucky, USA. Born in London, United Kingdom, to Nigerian parents of Igbo descent, Azubike joined the U.S. Army in 1994 and became an aviator after passing the Army Aviation Officer Basic Course. Commenting on her leadership qualities, U.S. Army Fusions Commander General James Rennie stated that Azubike makes everyone around her better. After her aviation career, which spanned 11 years, she continued her career in the Army as a public affairs and relations officer. Azubike currently serves as a deputy commanding officer at the U.S. Army Cadet Command and previously served as a chief of staff, senior military advisor at the Office of the Secretary of Defense. She was also chief of public affairs at the United States Southern Command, Fort Lauderdale area, and the director of public affairs, Joint Force Headquarters, National Capital Region Military District of Washington. She also served as a communications consultant for the National Football League Players Association and public relations staff for the NFL franchise, the Washington Redskins. Apart from her Army qualifications, General Azubike has a Bachelor of Science degree in Mass Communication, Media Studies from the University of Central Arkansas, a Master of Arts in the National Security and Strategic Studies from the United States Army War College, and a Master of Professional Studies, Public Relations, Corporate Commissions from Georgetown University. IPOB threatens to resist highway patrols in Southeast, condemn plans for a new security outfit. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has condemned plans by the governors of southeastern states to set up highway security patrols to fight insecurity. The group said the Ebubeagu security outfit introduced by the governors has not been of any help, but rather they kill and maim citizens of localities where they operate. In a press release by its spokesman, Mr. Emma Powerful, the group said it will work to scuttle such plans if the governors continued with it. Part of the release read, "We condemn the Southeast governors' plan to form another security outfit in the Southeast to patrol our highways. We declare such plans unacceptable because the murderous Ebubeagu they created has killed and destroyed many of our people's lives and properties. We have Eastern Security Network ESN working day and night to secure our region. These gallant men and women are paying the ultimate price to keep our land safe from state-sponsored terrorists. If it is not for ESN, by now, the state-sponsored Fulani militias would have overrun Biafra land. Therefore, we don't want another security outfit within our territory. Forming another security outfit means that the governors have exhausted their powers with Ebubeagu and again looking for another means of causing confusion in Biafra land. If these governors and politicians insist on forming a rebranded Ebubeagu, that means that they are benefiting from the insecurity in the eastern region, like their counterparts, and they want Opuzodinma to cash in the ideas and cause more insecurity in the region. The group said, despite the recent orders of the Court of Appeal, Abuja Division, which released the leader of the group, Nnamdi Kanu, the state governors have not added their voice to call for the release of their leader. The group said it's pathetic that these Southeast governors cannot publicly demand the unconditional release of their brother, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, after the appeal court's verdict to acquit and discharge him. Instead, they are hypocritically calling for a political solution without a political will to accomplish it.